everybody. Today we're going to go dolce. Dolce in Italian means sweets. I have a sign in front of the house on a stone, and it says the dolce vita. And everybody asks me what it means. It means a sweet life. Today I'm going to make a citrus and nut biscotti. And look at this beautiful apron. It's got pockets and it says Chefy. And I got this from a gift from Teresa and Mike in Tennessee. Thank you. First step, we're going to put the flour. We mix all the dry ingredients. We put all it in there. The sugar, I think the sugar we got this separate. Okay, so we put all the nuts. We dump all the nuts in there. And the last one's the cranberries. Now, you can put different nuts in there if somebody doesn't like certain nuts. So what you do is you mix all the dry stuff first. Okay, now that it's dry, I'll add a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. Okay, you got that. Now we do all the wet ingredients. Put the egg in there. Put the sugar in there. And then that's my spoon. And you just mix it up real good. And then we put the butter. That's 4 tablespoons of butter. Kind of squish it in there. The last thing we put in is some almond extract. And it's a teaspoon of each. And the vanilla extract. Okay, mix that in. Got that in. And then we put the zest we got from the tangerines and the orange. Put that in there. So this is all the wet ingredients. So what you do is take the wet ingredients and mix it with the dry ingredients. So the next step, we got the dry ingredients, and we put all the mixture in the middle there, the wet mixture. And the texture is going to be, it shouldn't really be real sticky, it should be more dry. We just have to mix it quite a bit. We got the right consistency, it's not really sticky, it's a nice dough ball. Consistency, I had to add just a little more flour here and there, roll it up. There we go, and we make it into a long log, and it's probably, I had to measure how long this, you can make it longer or shorter, depending if you want bigger, thicker biscotti, or wider. I made it 3 inches wide, and about a little over 1 inch high. So we take it, just put it right on the pan, put it in here, and it looks like pretty good. Then we take and we put the egg wash. Put the biscotti in. Looking good. Okay, now we're letting it cool. It's got to cool completely for about 20 minutes before I slice it. So now we take them, we put them on a sheet, and I put them upside up. And And then we bake them for about 12 minutes at 350. Okay, now it's ready to put the biscotti for the second bake. And in Italian, biscotti means twice bake. So this is going to bake 12 minutes, and I have them standing up. Normally a lot of people cook them a second and a third time. They flip them on one side, they flip them on the other side. I just stand them up and cook them 12 minutes at the end, and they come up perfect. Chefy is going to take the biscotti out. And they're looking good. Wow, look at that. Okay, here we go now. If you want, you can take the biscotti and dip them in chocolate. Maybe you don't want too much chocolate on there. And if you want, I got ground up pistachios. Look at that, how nice that looks. Put them on here. Here's the chocolate. Oh, mamma mia, it's good. You have one of these in the morning, and you'll be wide awake. It'll wake you up. It's delicious. Dunk in your coffee.